Guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Another beautiful sunny day here in the greenhouse. And today I actually want to show you how I'm going to harvest some of my arugula crop and just show you guys how to do that, so in a way that you can continue to still get some more growth off of it. It's still early spring, so great time to harvest some of this crop so we still get some. Remember, arugula is one of those colder weather crops, so starting it out in the greenhouse, you can go as early as February. I believe I started these ones in the greenhouse early March, and now we're just in the beginning of May here, and we've got some beautiful arugula that we're going to have for tonight's dinner. So I want to take you guys along and show you exactly how I harvest it and how you can harvest it and make sure you get some more in the future. So I'm going to show you what we have going on here. Guys, look at that beautiful set of arugula here. We've got, this is a variety called Rocket Arugula. You can buy the seed packs at most of your local stores. So I've just got a pair of shears here. You can do this with your thumbnail if it's easier for you. I've got just a bag. You obviously want to have something to store it in. You can have a bucket, bag, whatever. This is just an old grapes bag that I like to save things like that so I can use them for projects like this. But let me see if I can find a piece on camera here that makes sense for us here. So you can see this arugula goes all the way down, and you can see right down to the root. It's got plenty of different branches. Now I've got 3 thick rows going here right on top of each other because I'm not trying to grow any type of lettuces and heads or anything like that. I'm actually just trying to get the cut and come again method is what they call this. So what I'm going to do is actually the stem here, I'm going to leave a good portion of the stem, and I'm just going to cut off a piece like that. I'm not going all the way down to the roots because what's going to happen is these leaves are going to grow back right in its place. So if I just go through here, I can just cut off the amount that I need for tonight's dinner. We're going to mix it in with some salads. It's great for those. There's all kinds of different things that people use arugula for. Well, in the comments below, tell me what you guys like to use your arugula on. I like it on burgers. I had it the other night on a BLT along with lettuce and gave a nice extra little kick. It was wonderful. But as you can see here, that's all. It's just a beautiful piece. Looks like, got chewed on a little bit by some bugs, but you know what? That doesn't make it any less edible. That plant's still healthy. So I'm okay with that. You get little critters in the garden. Things like that, but I'm doing this inside my greenhouse, which keeps the larger pests away, squirrels and rabbits, things like that, and it allows me to extend the growing season with it a little bit longer. So this is wonderful to be able to harvest this. I've got a set of butter crunch lettuce right next to it over here. Hasn't quite grown in because unfortunately I had just all these volunteer tomato seedlings. I did a video on that as well that are just keep growing in. I have literally cleared them out. They keep growing in. So my butter crunch lettuce is just not coming in the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to weed this out again, put some new seeds down. That's okay. It's the nice part about having that style lettuce you can plant new. Usually with arugulas or cut and come again style lettuces, what actually happens is you get about 3 cuttings because then they just get eventually too long and too stemmy that you don't get as many cuttings as you want off of them. So a good 3 cuttings is all I like to do off of them, and then I come back and tear them out and replant a new row of seeds, and I've got another set where I can do another 3 cuttings off of it. So but that's all there is to it, guys. So that's how you harvest the arugula so that you'll continue to get more. And you're just kind of pruning and making way, and you can see it's kind of dwarfed over most of the weeds on this section, but there's a weed I can pull out while I'm doing this. So there you go. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this video, please share it out. Just a quick video on how you harvest that arugula and how you can use it for your plant or your dinners and salads. And if you guys like this, like I said, share it out. I appreciate it. Subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell for some additional content to come in the future. And as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.